Spring is cancelled. Meteorologists are warning of a pattern change of big snowstorms for the Northeast. Meteorologists on X, former Twitter, are watching the next big winter storm that could dump snow across the mid-Atlantic and the Northeast next week. On Wednesday, our ArcField weather report showed the above normal temperatures across the eastern half would end by late weekend. Spring is cancelled per latest European Weekly's temp anomalies forecast. It's like this for the majority of March. Bloomberg noted in a report, the girdle of Arctic air around the North Pole, known as the polar vortex, is poised to weaken and send a cold blast into the U.S., and because the El Niño weather pattern is in full force, the deep freeze would collide with stormy conditions on the East Coast to unleash snow this month. I think there are a couple snowstorms down the pipe, said Paul Pastelok, the lead range forecaster for AccuWeather. Pastelok continues, he said the big storm or two is not off the charts here for February or early March. Meteorologists on X have posted a series of models that forecast accumulated snow early next week for the mid-Atlantic to Northeast regions. And they say the overnight runs of the European and GFS models have focused on a NEPA as ground zero for snow. Some details still need to be worked out in regard to the storm strength, dry slot location, and amount of moisture. Storm Monday, Tuesday next week will set the table for a pattern change that could produce a big snow later this month. And this one will be a rain to snow thing for Baltimore. Hard to get big accumulations like that, but could be snowing for part of the Tuesday morning commute. And also threat for snow increasing across Ohio Valley on Monday. If we can get this storm to phase, we just have enough cold air for snow. A lot of moving parts here, not a slam dunk yet, but latest analogs show historically this setup produces snow. A second major sudden stratospheric warming event looms for the third week of February, and this means the risk for cold weather in the U.S. is enhanced right through March, so any chance of an early spring is now 100% off the table. The groundhogs were wrong, he said. Meanwhile, Puxatawny Phil, the famous groundhog weather oracle that comes out every February 2nd on Groundhog Day, might have been wrong in his early spring forecast last Friday. This is on StereoHedge by Tyler Durden. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.